In this quick video, I'll show you how to put someone through the announce table in WWE 2k24 for Xbox, PlayStation and PC. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, clear the table. For that, press LB on Xbox, L1 on PlayStation and U on PC. Then you can either Irish whip your opponent or drag them onto the table. To drag them, press LB on Xbox, circle plus L1 on PlayStation and L plus U on PC. Now to put your opponent on table, press right stick up on Xbox and PlayStation, left control plus I on PC. Now we just need to climb the table. For that, press RB on Xbox, R1 on PlayStation and O on PC. Now you just have to use your finisher. For that, press RT plus A on Xbox, R2 plus X on PlayStation and space plus K on PC. There you go, we have successfully broken table on WWE 2k24. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.